Mzansi, South Africa, hear me out. You think petty champion like MDC with Orlando Pirates. Mara uyamazi. Mara maprala ngicela introduce for those abangakwazi yabo batshela ukuthi wena ubani igama, ubani isibongo. And udlalela which club?
Sanibonani babukeli igama lami Jabulani Mugoni ngidlalela Orlando Pirates DDC.
Aish, uzwile ukuthi udlalela Orlando Pirates DDC. Next season uzombona first team ungamangala ungathuswa i-height, ungathuswa ile height. Uheta kucala kunama amabhola lo muntu lo. Nje yazana senzani ne? You know like South Africa most players adlalayo. You know they are TV but we don't know ukuthi baqale kanjani career yayo yebhola. You know about abo Messi ukuthi wenzakalani. But now sifuna usintroduce wena ukuthi umuntu makubona TV athi iqala ibhola ngendlela esona ngendlela eso yabo. So for abantu bethu ne ngicela ubatshele ukuthi okay uJabulani Mgone udlalele mapha ama team kuze afike ku Orlando Pirates and ubani player okhule ubukela phansi kwawo lezi role model.
uJabulani Mugoni intwana yasekase Davidson ngisakhula ngina 6 bengidlalela iSmiling Stars then ukukhula kwami ngaya ku Davidson Arsenal ngazithola sengu Davidson United ngaya kuma trial ku School of Excellence then after School of Excellence I think 2022 sadlala Engine Cup kulapho ke Orlando Pirates angiscout khona.
Sure so I play ubuke ukhula ubukela phansi kwa lezi role model ubani?
Eish Thabiso Monyane.
Shout out to Thabiso Monyane. So nje ngifuna siza intwana ezincane la dlala ibhola ekasi. So wena as a player how do you prepare yourself for ama games and how do you handle the pressure?
I pressure hlezi khona but confidence nanoma uthandaza wazi ukuthi la uyakhona uzidlalelo new one khona abantu ababhekile la ngaphandle njengentwana ezincane namhlanje mazikubulisa sibuyele kuwena so yeah njani.
So ku career yakho efootball which player owadlala nalo eli best as a teammate bese hardest opponent and liphi player ongafisa ukudlala nalo ongakaze wadlala nalo ongafisa ukudlala nalo like as a teammate?
Iplayer best ekengadlala nalo uRilebogile Mfukeng. Then the hardest ngasho ukuthi uLangelihle Phiri from Stellenbosch. Then iplayer ngafisa ukudlala nalo one Mfundo Vilakazi.
Obrigado bafethu. Shout out to Msotra to Obrigado Mfundo Vilakazi awuyazi because his finest. So njayami like le feeling le ukuthi njengudlala ku Orlando Pirates and win MDC manje like ufila kanjani awusichazisele?
It's a special feeling nakhona yabo ukuthi wonke umuntu uyazi ukuthi wena uyi-champion but kumele ube grounded because yazi singabantu angesikujabulele sonke. Sure.
So njengamendlala MDC and then you winile, which team was the hardest to play against?
Richards Bay, Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah.
Ziyaza lezi Richards Bay?
Hayi ziyaza kakhulu. Ziyaza.
So for those who don't know, who's the most famous person in your contact?
Yo baningi.
Most famous.
Already. Sure.
Mina sengicanga ukuthi uchata noLamine man.
Anik za.
So ujabe Europe favor mapha ama team or which club?
Arsenal.
Okay, name 3 favorite players yakho ku Arsenal.
Martin Odegaard, Saka, no Declan Rice.
Lawo ma player o mentionile start 1 bench 1 and sell.
Start Saka, bench Odegaard, sell Rice.
Okay, let's say you get a chance to sell Rice nga 100 meter and you get that 100 million to help the community yasekhaya ungaba yenzelani?
Ngayenza i-foundation, bring back to the community. Ngivakashela ikolo baya ama-toughies for abantwana abangakhoni kusiza ngegawula yabo kusiza amantombazana ngama-pads and stuff.
Sure.
Yeah.
So eliphi ground like okay asiqale sibuyele ekhasi eliphi tournament okay wadlala best ekhasi and eliphi ground okay wadlala kulo eli best eBhucwini?
For sure like ekhasi bayibiza World Cup ibhola lethu eMabuya ground.
Yeah. Best stadium okay wadlala kuso?
Tsakani Stadium. Yeah.
Okay, before sizoyivala ngicela ugaye abajita bethu bebafana i-wish for next game abazoyidlala against South Korea.
bajita sithembele kunina yani kubona nazi elasekasa silitshintsha idiski whether sidlala ku global stage sihlezi sithi ngiyakholwela kunina kawufela
Ari kaufela sakholela kini before sivala ke mabrara word of the day for intwana ezincane ezikhulele ekhaya sifuna ukufika kude ngefootball.
discipline, dedication, determination. Sure.
Plus yakhumbula ukuthi uScott maphuma wala eDavidson eKaslaka yabo before sivali the chichi vum gone kanje.
Chichi vum gone kanje.
Shavu kwazi nokucula bafetha kadlala ibhola kuphela nje ngiyabonga ne. Moja.